Why is nobody talking about the mighty IKENGA, a symbol of strength in Igbo culture? In Igbo culture and tradition, being strong as a man is very important. They believe that strong men are real men. Backing up this idea is the IKENGA deity, a symbol of a man's strength. Each family owns one. The IKENGA comes in different types: the warrior, community, and title holder. The warrior IKENGA holds a knife and sometimes a tusk or a human head. The community IKENGA has human or animal pictures, while the title holder IKENGA sits on a stool with a tusk and a staff. In Igbo, the word IKENGA means a place of excess strength. It shows how powerful and strong a man is. If a man does well, he praises his IKENGA. If things go wrong with him, he blames the IKENGA. The IKENGA's job is to bring prosperity to the family. If he does well, it is to be respected, but if he doesn't, it is to be ignored. The relationship between a man and his IKENGA helps him think about his life. It is like looking in a mirror to see what is going well, what is going wrong, and where needs work. Igbo people strongly believe in thinking of making it very well in life. The IKENGA reflects this belief. It is not just about the individual, but also the community. It is about being strong and collectively prosperous. People pray to their IKENGA for their dreams to come true. They see how strong their IKENGA is by what happens in their lives. This helps them reflect about their lives and their goals. The IKENGA is like a mirror that shows both the deity and the person that believes in it. If you still have your own IKENGA as an Igbo man till this day, tell me in the comment section.